Hello everyone, this is my review of this watermelon cutter. This watermelon cutter is made of stainless steel. It's pretty long. You can get up to about 5 ice cubes not ice cubes, but watermelon cubes in a row with this cutter. It's not sharp or anything. It's dull, so you don't have to worry about cutting yourself. But it cuts through the watermelon pretty well by just tearing, tearing through it. You just push down into the watermelon until you reach the cord and just slide it down and keep making rolls with it. You do it on one side, then you turn it to the other side, and there you will have your cubes. I wasn't a very neat and straight one by cutting, but as you can see, it does work and give you nice cubes for your watermelon. So I hope this review helped.